Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can speed up audio in Canva. So if you want to adjust the speed of the music that you added into Canva, unfortunately you can do it directly on Canva, so you need a third-party app to do that. Here, if you got the audio from your library outside the Canva, you can just find the audio speed changer on your browser. So I use this mp3cut.net, and in here you can just drop the file or open a file in here. So I'm going to choose the audio from my library in here. For example, this one, you can click on open, and here you can adjust the speed to how you like it. So if you want to make it faster, you can just swipe the circles right here to the right to how you want to make it fast. I'm going to go with second time faster, 2 times faster in here, and then you can just click on the save button, and now you can click on save again, and your file will be downloaded, and you can just add it into Canva now. So you can go to uploads, click on upload files, and then choose the file, click on open, and this is the speed up audio that you want. You can just click on it to add it into your design in Canva. And if you got the audio from Canva, you can just first download the audio and then upload it in here. So that's how you can speed up audio in Canva. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks.